BDB is a unified modern low-code hyper-automation data analytics platform with data ops and AI ops for enterprises. We have used this platform for the reduction in cost of poor quality by amalgamating the domain knowledge and the hyper-automation features of this platform. The issue is that the manufacturing companies are struggling to reduce the cost while maintaining their quality and services in order to retain the market share. But within the company's overall processes are so complex that inefficiencies get added into their cost structure. And even if we don't know, 10 to 40% is the cost of the poor quality on the maturity of the supply chain operations. The issue is the relevant data is not captured and fragmented, thereby where to attack is not clear. And the issue impacts from the shop floor to CEO to the profitability. The solution is like a standard capturing the data, analyzing it, and presenting it to the relevant stakeholders into the end-to-end data analytics framework, like reading it from different type of data sources, ingesting it into the real time and batch, storing it into the different formats, doing the data engineering, cleaning the data, doing the AI layers and visualizations. And why this is so impactful is because first you are leveraging the data platform on the cloud for the solution management, which is helping you to connect with machines and product drawings to get relevant data for the root cause analysis. Machine learning algorithms to prevent quality approach by identifying similar root causes. Effect of taking countermeasure on those type of costs. So this will assist in cost reduction while doing a new model launch and embedding the PDCA and SDCA cycles into the solution. Let's see.
In the recent past, there have been many manufacturers who have recalled vehicles due to quality issues. This has costed them not only the huge money but also bad name in the market. Let's see how the BDB platform can help in the reduction of cost of poor quality.
The overall CoPQ status can be seen here. This is typically useful for CEOs, COOs, and quality head of the organization. Here, the CoPQ status at various stages of the production can be seen. Drill down can be done from plant level to part defect combination. Countermeasures are embedded into the system and a new countermeasure sheet can be opened at a click of the button. The countermeasure details for machine-related items are available which are relevant for root cause analysis. This is typical example of industrial IIoT. The dates of the action can be given and can be submitted in the form only. By dates, the effectiveness of the countermeasure can also be seen on the isochronous chart, which is shown here.
What are the potential benefits? The glass factory approach to capture all the issues and display them transparently with analysis to relevant stakeholders for decision making, and reduce the CoPQ by 10% in 3 years, help in improving the bottom line, customer satisfaction, and new model launches. Audits are also embedded. But what will be the challenges? Because first you have to define the CoPQ structure properly before implementing it, and then do the data capturing in a proper manner to correct the value of CoPQ. But initially the CoPQ may rise because you have started capturing the data properly first time, and there might be organizational resistances as some of the repeated repair work will get eliminated. So in summary, we have seen that it's a very effective and data-driven one-stop solution to reduce cost of poor quality, leveraging 2 decades of industrial quality domain expertise as well as the business intelligence expertise, where we have built our own data platform by spending 10 years into this. Thank you.